You guys, I'm so excited. I just got my FabFitFun Winter Editor's Box. This is the bomb, you guys. If you use my code, you can get $10 off making your first box only $39.99. And this box has a value of over $200. I'm so excited to open it and see what's inside. You guys, FabFitFun is giving you more options than ever before, and you can customize. Let's see what I got. Let's just jump right over here to Jonathan Adler, this scented candle. Let's see. Porcelain top, I love that. This is so cute. Oh my God, it smells so good. How cute is this, you guys? So cute. I love Jonathan Adler. We have a Bluetooth shower speaker, which is so fun and so easy to use. Oh, and it suctions to the wall. That is so smart. That's so cool. How cute is that? That's so cute. Stone Street Soap House. Wholesome body cream. We could all use some cream here in the winter, for sure. Oh my God, that smells really good. What is that? I don't know. I don't even know how to describe the smell other than like really clean. I get headaches from a lot of scents, and you definitely probably won't get one from this one. This smells really, really good. Let's see, what is this? Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. Oh, that's really cool. Anything with truffle, you know, is good. Charcoal wipes. Charcoal's like the latest craze right now, you guys. It has so many benefits I don't even think people really realize. This is really cool. It cleanses, exfoliates. Don't let it scare you, you guys. Don't let that scare you. These are really, really great. And no smell to it too, which is really cool. These are kind of rough, so you definitely can exfoliate on this side and then cleanse on the other side. That's really cool. Serafina. Oh my gosh. How cute is this bracelet, you guys? You can use my code to get $10 off, making your first box only $39.99. Like, that's unbelievable. All this stuff for $39.99. Stone Cold Fox, a journal, which is really, really cool. They say it's very therapeutic to write down your thoughts every day. And last but not least, this Levido hand cream. Love, love this brand. And I feel like, you know, as you know, my daughters are always making fun of my hands being so dry. It's, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Wow. Shea butter, coconut, musk, that's what it is. That smells really, really good. And it doesn't leave like a greasy feeling. So you put your lotion on and you just go about your day. Anyways, you guys, use my code to get $10 off your first box, making it only $39.99. If you become a FabFitFun member, not only do you get a seasonal box 4 times a year, but you also have access to exclusive sales. What are you waiting for? You don't want to miss out.